Good evening students. Today we will discuss mainly about class and object. Concept of class and object in C++. जब discuss करेंगे about class and object, in that process, in that discussion, these things will come up. Data type के बारे में थोड़ा आएगा, access specifier आएगा और encapsulation आएगा. That's why I have already written at the beginning all these things. Okay. Now, what is class? Class is building block of the object oriented program. जैसे cell is the building block, you have already learned in class 8 and 9 of the human body cell. Okay, so like that class is the building block of object oriented programming. Alright, तब अभी और होता क्या है, बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक तो हो गया, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग का बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक है क्लास. इट इज ए डेटा टाइप, यूजर डिफाइंड डेटा टाइप. यूजर अपने हिसाब से डिफाइन करता है. It is a user defined data type. As you have already studied earlier, what are the data types? Int is a data type which holds integer type value. Boolean, in the previous videos you can go and check. Boolean दो value store करता है, true false. Boolean is again a data type. Character, string, all these were data types. So data types is already known to you. So अभी हम लोग है mainly class and object. Class is what? Building block of object oriented programming. First thing. Second, class is user defined data type. Data type मालूम हो गया, int, boolean, character, string, all this, array, one dimensional, two dimensional array, all this. So data type you already know, I have already discussed in previous videos. So class is a user defined data type. Alright, back to this. Class is building block of object oriented programming. बहुत important है, थोड़ा critical है, इसलिए बार बार repeat कर रहा हूँ. Class is the building block of the object oriented programming. It is a user defined data types which hold तीसरा point, both member function and data members, which hold data members as well as member functions. मतलब integer type data, character type data, string and all, it holds datas, okay, as well as functions. And lastly, the fourth point about class is that we can access the class, we can access the class ACCESS. We can access the class with the help of instance of that particular class. Instance, by creating instance of that particular class. Instance is nothing but object. By creating object of that class, we can access the data members as well as the member function which the class is holding. Alright. Now you have understood कि क्लास का एक्सप्लेनेशन में डेटा टाइप का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है. जो डेटा टाइप्स यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न, बार बार बोल रहा हूँ. तो डेटा टाइप्स उस हिसाब से इंटीजर जैसे बूलियन, एरे ये सब होता था, उस हिसाब से क्लास इज ए यूजर डिफाइंड डेटा टाइप. ऑलराइट, सो डेटा टाइप का और कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, जरूरत खत्म. और द मेंशन अबाउट डेटा टाइप वी हैव व्हाइल एक्सप्लेनिंग क्लास, द मेंशन अबाउट डेटा टाइप इज दिस मच ओनली, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव ब्रॉट इट. नेक्स्ट आई विल कम टू दिस. While giving a syntax of the class, this will be clear to you. Alright. So encapsulation क्या है? What I just told you that class holds both data members as well as member functions. And to access those data members and member functions, we need to create instance of the class. And instance का other name हो गया object. Instance. Instance का other name हो गया object. By creating object of the class, we can access the data members and members functions which the class is holding. So as the class is holding both data members and member functions, it is satisfying the property of encapsulation in object oriented programming. Object oriented programming का एक property है encapsulation. Object oriented programming का एक feature है encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping up both data as well as function inside one unit, inside one block. Wrapping up of data as well as functions, data as well as function in one unit, one block, that is encapsulation. As class is holding both data members as well as member functions, that's why it is satisfying the feature of object oriented programming. Which features? Encapsulation features, encapsulation property. So encapsulation का भी जिक्र खत्म. The mention about encapsulation while explaining class is this much only. So now I will write the syntax of the class and you will come to know about this SS specifier, as well as you will learn the syntax also. So students, this is the syntax of class. क्लास, दिस इज द कीवर्ड, इसी को इस्तेमाल करना है, इसी को लिखना है क्लास, दिस इज द कीवर्ड, दिस इज द क्लास नेम, वट एवर नेम यू वांट टू गिव यू गिव. आई हैव गिवन द क्लास नेम एज ए, दिस इज द कीवर्ड, देना ही होगा, this is the name, class name, as per your wish you can give. I have provided here the class name to be as capital A. Then SS specifier colon data members semicolon member function bracket, as it is a function first bracket followed by first bracket, then it will close it with this colon. All right, so SS specifier are of three types. SS specifier are of three types. What are the three? SS specifier are of three types: private, public and protected. If you are declaring a member as private, then its scope, scope is limited to this block only. इसके बाहर उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जा सकता if it is declared as private. Now if it is declared, if the member function is declared as public, then that particular member function which is declared as public can be accessed within this block also and within outside this block also. If फिर से repeat, access specifier are of three types: public, private, protected. Public अगर declare करेंगे कोई भी member functions को, then its scope will be unlimited. In this particular block also you can access it, and you can access it outside this block also if you have declared it as public carrier किसी का नहीं है. All right, today you have hired it, someday और एक घंटा बाद कोई दूसरा ने हायर किया, like that, किसी का नहीं है, ओनरशिप नहीं है, like that. If you have declared member function as public, ओनरशिप नहीं है, ये इस ब्लॉक के अंदर भी काम करेगा, इस ब्लॉक का बाहर में भी काम करेगा. प्राइवेट डिक्लेयर करने से सिर्फ इस ब्लॉक में उसका स्कोप scope gets limited to this particular block where it has been declared as private. And third, protected use करने से क्या होता है, only the member functions can use it. जिसे only the friend functions can use it. जिसे आप friend declare करेंगे, only those can be used. Scope, SCOP, its scope is public होने से scope gets unlimited. Here you can access this, outside this block also you can access it. प्राइवेट डिक्लेयर करने से सिर्फ उसी ब्लॉक में उसको एक्सेस किया जा सकता है, उसके बाहर उससे एक्सेस नहीं किया जा सकता. स्कोप गेट्स लिमिटेड. एंड प्रोटेक्टेड इस्तेमाल देने से, डिक्लेयर करने से, इट्स स्कोप इज लिमिटेड, बट द फ्रेंड फंक्शन कैन इजीली एक्सेस दैट प्रोटेक्टेड वाला मेंबर फंक्शन. ऑलराइट, नाउ द एग्जांपल. क्लास A, कीवर्ड, this name I have given as per my wish, as per my choice, A. The name of the class is A. Public declare किया है. Public means scope is unlimited. इस ब्लॉक में भी यूज कर सकते हैं, इसके बाहर में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Public int num. Num is a variable which is integer type. Alright. Then void print. So this is the return type of the function. कैसे मालूम चला function? क्योंकि print is followed by first bracket. So print क्या है? Function name है. Function name, and it is a function as it is followed by first bracket, and the return type of the function is void. और function के अंदर क्या है? Cout एक statement है. Cout is same as print. So किसे print करेगा? नाम को print करेगा. नाम का वैल्यू है नहीं है, that is separate matter. Okay, अभी उतना डिटेल में नहीं जा रहा हूँ, just I am explaining. Syntax समझा दिया, अभी with example I am explaining. Syntax का implementation कैसे होता है. So class keyword, this is the class name, as per your choice you will give. I have given BSA. This is the SS specifier. अभी जो सीखा था, three type of SS specifier. SS specifier colon. Num is a member function, and it is integer type, or it is a data member. It is not member function. It is a data member. This is member function. Function, and this is data member. And which is num is a variable which is only integer type data. That's why data member. एंड दिस इज मेंबर फंक्शन. मेंबर फंक्शन क्यों मेंबर? इस क्लास के अंदर है इसलिए मेंबर है, क्लास का मेंबर है, घर का सदस्य है, मेंबर है. सो सी आउट, प्रिंट के अंदर सी आउट एक स्टेटमेंट है. दिस फंक्शन gets opened here, it's closed here, and the class is opened here, and the class gets closed here. Alright. As it is holding, as the class is holding both data member as well as member function, it is satisfying the encapsulation property. Encapsulation property. क्योंकि member function as well as data member, wrapping up of members as well as function inside one block. This is encapsulation. I hope it is clear to you. The concept of class is clear to you. Thank you for watching.